Ferrari.
Yeah.
I wanted to ask one thing.
Yeah.
What do you do for a living?
What do I do for a living?
Yes.
Well, I make people rich. I make people become a passionpreneur. I help them to build their business around passion. And when I do that, I automatically become rich.
Yes.
Yeah. How old are you?
I'm like 10.
10?
Yes.
Ah, lovely. You also want to own this Ferrari someday, right?
Yes.
Yeah. What is your goal? When would you own this Ferrari?
When I would be like 21 or 22.
21, 22. That's so awesome. Remember one thing. Love the car, but more than loving the car, love adding value to people, helping people. More people you can add value to, more you can help, you'll be able to make more money. The secret to owning a Ferrari is not to just aim for a Ferrari. Secret to owning a Ferrari is to help more people so that you can make more money and you can own a Ferrari. So your goal is not just to own the Ferrari. Your goal is to add value to people. And the bigger the value, bigger the money. More people you help, more money you make. Yeah? Good luck, buddy. Good luck. Take care. This is the power, guys. A lot of people ask me, Dev, can I take a photo with Ferrari? I was traveling from Pune to Gujarat. There's so many people came and clicked the photos with the car. But I'll tell you, not even one person stopped by and asked me, what does it take to own a Ferrari? They just clicked the photos. Priyansh, at 10-year-old, he had the audacity and he had the presence of mind. He not only just stopped to admire the Ferrari, but he said, what do you do for a living? How do you own this Ferrari? And I wish this ignorance could be reduced in a lot of people, because I still see people trading time for money and looking for materialistic things, having just shiny object syndrome. But what really needs to be done is asking a millionaire or asking somebody who owns a Ferrari, what do I do to own a Ferrari? My answer is going to be the same. Don't just aim for a Ferrari, aim for adding value to people. Being in a job, I'm sure it's going to be very hard for you to make a lot of money, which can help you to drive the car like this. Don't get fascinated by the car, get fascinated by adding value to people. Now, if you really want to learn more, how can you go from where you are, whether you're 9-to-5 job, whether you're starting a business or building a business, what is it that you can do to own this Ferrari, have a freedom, have lots of money, and follow your passion? Click the link. I have a blueprint that I will be really happy to share with you, which has changed my life and is changing hundreds of lives. This masterclass has been attended by more than 73,000 people in last 2 years. Don't miss it, because I will not do these webinars for a very long time. So click the link, join the masterclass, and I will see you there. Take care. Bye-bye.